He's on again, man. Look. Where is he at? Oh, yeah. He's coming across Uncle's line now. Keep your line down, Uncle. Come over, bring up top, Eric, over top Uncle's. That's it. Yeah, butler. Eric Pony's on. Get him, Brad. Here he comes. I've got to get the net. Geez, you're going all right there, son. Oh. Yeah, keep him coming, bud. Another carp. So you sit down, Fischler. Carp, Unc. Oh. God, eh? God, eh, butler? Oh, you can fish, Brett, eh? He jumped off his line on these. Yeah, there you on it now, bud. He's a big carp, is he? Oh, look at him. Hey, yeah, get the net, Eric. Oh, wow. Hey, the elder's showing us up, Unc. Yeah, he's over that way, is he? Warn him. Wait till Eric's gonna get... Oh, look at that, Unc. Yeah, let him go. Oh. Big fella? He's a big fella. Go on, Eric, get out there and grab him, bro. Put him underneath his head. Oh, look at that. Hey, legend! Look at that! Oh, mate. That's how he goes, eh? Gee, what do you reckon about that, Unc? Good 'un. He's a good 'un.